Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe or else pagdanof will dump on you. Feel free to ask questions and suggest coins so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Hello Matthew, hello El Negro, hello Klein, hello RA. Hello, thank you for joining us. So we are doing live right now in 8 p.m. Every time we have Zoom class, our live is moved to 8 p.m. Okay? Okay, and we are still observing it, okay? Okay. So basic technical analysis is that you need to learn is at least this breakout charts, okay? Get familiarized with this one. This is bookish, okay? So you can learn from this one, okay? Hello, hello, Myla. This one is we call head and shoulder pattern. This has been seen in the market since the beginning of the stock market, okay? And even this one inverted head and shoulder, the breakout is to the upside. This one double bottom, double top, the breakout is to the downside. Double bottom, the breakout to the upside. Triple top, the breakout to the downside. This is super bearish. This one is super bullish. Triple bottom, breakout to the upside. Symmetrical triangle, okay? You draw a canned triangle, okay? And then ascending triangle, like this one, triple top. Look at the chart. From here, you can see a triple top. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this one is bullish if we have a breakout. The good thing is it closed above. So it must have almost been a breakout to the downside, but it's still close here. So if this is your breakout trade, okay, let me draw. Okay, if this is our breakout trade, or this one right here, okay, so we are not yet in the breakout. And this is our breakout from the top. Okay. So the price tag will be from top to bottom. Then the breakout will be right here. Okay. So we had a long wick, okay? And then went inside again. Maybe we have hit the bottom already and it will start going to the upside. Change of direction, okay? So if this is the breakout, area, then we have a breakout and it can continue up to here. 34,621, okay? So this is triple top, okay? So these are by the books, okay? So I am not making this one out, okay? So this has been here even before I was born. These charts, these patterns is already here, and okay, and market is spotting those patterns, okay? How to make money, you need to get familiarized with the market so you can easily spot any patterns, okay? So that's the important thing right there. If this holds and if it doesn't break, then it will continue again to the upside, okay? That's possible right there. Okay. Hello. Thank you for our 9 viewers. Thank you for joining us today. Hello, Chris Cruz. Hello, Mary. Good to see you again, Chris. Chris is part of our Zoom. Okay. So if it breaks here, I told them in my Zoom, this was happening during my Zoom. Okay, this was happening during my Zoom class. Okay, we have our own online class. Hello, Angela. And I told them, do not trade with the candle, this first candle. Make sure you trade to the next candle. Okay, and for our time frame, so you see, if you followed me, then you can really be protected. But if you entered right away in the 4-hour time frame, you entered that right away, it's just a fake out. It went up. But there is a possibility that this candle, since if this is the breakout trade here, then this is already a breakout, then this can be a good short also. Okay, unless this is our breakout trade. Okay, unless this one is our breakout trade, we haven't breakout yet. Okay. Okay, so this is the basic that we need to learn. So what's news on Bitcoin? Okay, let's check some news because we know it affects our Bitcoin, right? Okay, hello, 10 viewers. So what's our news? Bitcoin likely to hit 32.9. Okay, 32.9. So what did we hit already? This one is 36.2. Okay, now it's going down. 36.2. Okay. At least you save much, right? So 32.9. This is data says. Okay, let me check. 32.9. 32.9. Let's check with our TA if we have some analysis that says it can. We will touch 32.9 here. Okay, this one. What happened? Not showing the 200 in moving average anymore. Okay, if this is the moving average. Okay, anyway. So let's see how they did this one. Fund strat data says. Okay, so it's the fund strat. Okay. High chances of Bitcoin bottoming out in few months. A decline under 35.5 level would push Bitcoin to test 32.95. Okay, so if we go below 35.5, then we can test 32. Right now, we are still above. Okay. Okay. However, if Bitcoin moves above 40, which would be crucial for crypto bulls, according to Newton. Okay, until this level is surpassed, Bitcoin is likely to remain downward pattern, he believes. Okay. Okay. Present time, the leading global crypto is sitting at 36.4. Okay. Bitcoin is not a faster horse. It is a flying car. Wow, modern. Okay, so this is for our news, Bitcoin. There's another news right here. Here, the Black Swan author likens Bitcoin technical analysis to astrology. Okay. So if you are analyst, then what will you say to this person? Okay, let me know your comment below. Okay, hello Throne Seeker, thank you for joining us. Okay, so if you are a Bitcoin technical analyst or just a technical analyst, even in stock market and in this area, and you are likened to astrology, what would you feel? Right? So this is a strong word from an author. Okay, take note, he's an author. Okay, so I don't think if he's a mathematician that he understand what he's saying. He's the author of the Black Swan event. So he's the one who said about the book about the Black Swan. Okay, so Black Swan is referring to something. Once you see a black swan, bad omen. Okay, if I understand it right. Okay. So the Black Swan author Nassim Nicholas Taleb said that, okay, Nicholas Taleb said that the technical analysis of Bitcoin, okay, he's only talking about Bitcoin, he's not, and other assets, okay, he included other assets. Maybe he wants to gain fame, right? Are simply an anxiety reduction scheme. I hope this is right. So it can really help anxiety reduction, right? But if you do TA and you still get high blood, then this is not likely accurate. Because when I do TA, if I have a long position and I see that the market is really going down, I don't think that can make me feel better, because charts don't lie, right? Charts don't lie. So you need to follow where it is going. Just like here, a higher high, now it's printing to the downside. So it might retest 32.1, 34, and then 28. Okay, those are the retests. So if this is accurate, then technical analyst should not be stressed, right? Because they will be only doing prediction for their comfort. Okay, let's continue. Like astrology or the modern portfolio theory. Okay, I'm not familiar with modern portfolio theory. We can search on that later. Okay, he said in his tweet, for those new to the game, there is zero evidence. Oh, this is a strong word. Zero evidence that resistance, trend line, Fibonacci, shooting star, and similar concepts predict anything in markets. It's simply like astrology or modern portfolio theory, an anxiety reduction scheme. So that's what he said in his tweet. This is his tweet. Okay, I check his tweet. For those in the game, so you can see some people who agrees with him, and there are also people who don't agree with him. Okay, so no harm in testing it. Okay, this one is not opinionated. Okay, this one is strong. Don't, he said this one. Okay, stop average retailers. Okay, so he said it'll be much better if adhering technical analysis takes a romantic notion out of the game. Okay, so no emotional attached, just PA. Okay, so he is the one who said this. So he is being corrected. So I haven't. If enough people believe it works, it will work as consequence. Self-fulfilling prophecy. Okay, and I really think this is not giving justice also to the other disciplines. Okay, in our world right now, we have so many disciplines. Okay, and there are so many truths. Okay, we have scientific truth, we have theological truth, we have historical truth. Okay, we have mathematical truth. Okay, and imagine Nassim talking about this one, and this one we are talking about some mathematical truth. Okay, so we are not in the middle age that everything needs to be tested in scientific truth. Okay, enlightenment period that we all need to be tested in scientific truth. So we are already in the 21st century where we discover that there are so many disciplines and there are so many truths. Okay, you cannot let fight the philosophy and scientific truth. Okay, even the phenomenological truth that says the sun rises every 5 a.m. and the sun sets every 6 p.m. Does the sun really sunsets, and does the sun really rises? It doesn't, right? Because in scientific truth, we know that sun is not moving at all. But we are using that phenomenological language. Okay? So, I think it's not good that we give some comments about something we don't really know, right? So, especially if you are in history, you know the historical truth and you try to apply it to other discipline, and you try to impose that your discipline is the only accurate. Okay, so it's not good. Okay, this is for our news. The Black Swan author. Okay, so that's funny right there. Okay, so now let's go to our technical analysis. Okay, so what do we have here for our technical analysis? Let's check the weekly time frame first so we get a picture. So this is our weekly time frame. This is ascending wedge. Okay, weekly time frame ascending wedge. And we can see that we have a breakout to the downside. Okay, the breakout to the downside, and we are continually going down from this breakout to the downside. Okay, so right now, if this continues, the price target here is 59.22. Okay, let me find the ascending wedge. Okay, this is wedge reversal. Okay, it's not a breakout. Here, rising wedge. Okay, so this is the one that we are looking at, rising wedge, and the breakout is to the downside. Okay, so right here, if this continues, this can be the price target. Okay, in our pitchfork, okay, this one Fibonacci is a number. Okay, it's from an Italian mathematician. So if you insult Fibonacci, you are insulting a great mathematician. Okay, so even in mathematics, you can just see where it is resting right now. It's in 0.786. It tested here. It even retested 0.382. It even supported here. It even get rejected here in 0.5. It even got a support here, crucial support 0.618. So that's Fibonacci numbers right there. So if you say that we are just having some astrology here, okay, that's your opinion, and we are all free to share our own opinion. Okay, but at least we need not to be dogmatic with what we know. Okay, so there are so many disciplines, like the spiritual truth or the religious truth. You cannot let it fight against scientific truth. Okay, they have different paths. They have different way of interpreting it. Okay, so but they are all truth. Okay, that governs our world today. Okay, so this one, we are being supported in the last area of our pitchfork, and now we are going. If this holds, we would most likely bounce here. Okay, 366. Here we would most likely bounce here, 3618. Okay, that's pretty low. Get up. We would most likely bounce right here, and he even touched it, and now it bounced. Let's see if it continues. Okay, 36298, and then the next bounce will be in 3.382. Okay, 32819. Okay. Okay. So weekly time frame, and then this is another weekly time frame. Okay, this is weekly time frame also. Okay, in our weekly time frame right here, okay, in our weekly time frame, we have broken out already to the Ichimoku cloud, which is the visual representation of support and resistance. So right now we are testing here in this area, which is 36,200. So we would most likely have a bounce here. Okay, bouncing area. If it doesn't hold, then okay, price target will be, if this continue, this is a head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder pattern, shoulder pattern, head shoulder, head, shoulder. The breakout price will be right here, 17.4. Head and shoulder here, breakout to the downside. Okay, so these are all patterns and mathematics. Okay, so this is head and shoulder. Okay, so the price target is 17.4. Okay, this one is in monthly time frame. Okay, monthly time frame. Let's check the weekly time frame. Okay, now I get it why it's not So in our weekly time frame, okay, in our weekly time frame, we are currently having, what do we have in our weekly time frame? So let me explain this to you in our Bitcoin. Okay, this is 2019. Okay, bull run. Bottom and then top. It touched the 200 moving average before going up. And now before our 2021 bull run up to 2022 right now, we touched first the 200 moving average. This line here is 200 moving it up. It went up and now we are touching. It ended. Okay, the bull run ended here with touching the 200 moving average. Okay, so where it all began, it starts again here. Okay, so right now, if it continues, and then it's going to touch our first area of moving average. This is this is 100 moving average. So if it touches it, if we find support here, then we bounce, and that would be our bottom. Okay. So this circle right here, this is Fibonacci circle. Okay, so this is still named after Fibonacci. Okay, the Italian mathematician. And you see every time it crosses a ring, it goes a consolidation and then massive move. This one is 80% move. Crossing the ring, consolidation and then massive move. Crossing a ring and then moves to the downside. It crossed the violet ring and then it drops, right? And you look at here, 2019. Okay, how to use this one? You just put it here. Okay. And you can just see here, after crossing every ring, drops, crossing ring, drops, consolidation, goes up, and then crossing ring, drops. Okay, after crossing that violet. Right now, we crossed the violet, but we didn't have a long wick, just like this one. Okay. Here is close to 100 moving average. Ours is still far. So right now, we're gonna retest the 100. And usually, every time it touches 100, it pumps. Okay, how much did it pump after touching the 100 moving average? It moved 50%. Okay, from touching the moving average 100, it pumps 50%. So, there is no touch of 100 moving average right now. So, if ever we touch this, okay, if ever we touch this and it moves 50%, we can expect price target of 47,524. Okay, so that can be our new trading, and then that would be a consolidation. Okay, consolidation, and then it might go down again or others. Okay, so this is 100 moving average, this is 200 moving average. If the pattern repeats itself in 2019 here, that it touches the 200 moving average, it never crossed 200 moving average, okay, throughout the history. So there is always 200 moving average supported right here, and is, as you can see, supported. So if we touch here, just like this one, just a long wick, okay, might like just like one day. I don't know if that can do in one day, just like that, and it goes up right away. Okay, so just to liquidate, right? Just to liquidate all the long positions. Okay, the mooners here, the mooners to the moon, and then went up, and then it crushed their dream, got liquidated, and then went back. Let me have your money. Okay, the institutions, and then goes consolidation, and then pumps to the upside again. Okay, so base here, if we touch this 32,116, then most probably, okay, we already crossed the violet, okay, but we didn't have massive move to the downside. And as you can see, after crossing it, after going down, it started going up and then crossed the pink circle, okay? So right now we are entering the pink circle, the line, and then now it's going up now. Okay, so most probably, how much did it move to the upside? Okay, so if this moves to the upside, this is 124%. 124%. If that happens here, 124%, Upside. 124. Okay. 75,000. Okay. That would be the price target if it moves to the upside for our pink. Okay. Pink fib circle. Okay. So this is our weekly time frame right here. If it repeats itself, then that's good. If not, then we bounce here. Okay. So this one is close to the Bitcoin news fund strat data. Okay, 32,900. Okay. Our TA is telling us it can touch up to the one. Here. So ours is 32.1. Okay, 32.1. We have 34. This one maybe 29. This one is 34. Okay. Okay, 100 moving average then. Still need to touch it and then we can pump again. Okay, that's it for our Bitcoin weekly time frame. Okay, let's check now how to trade. Okay, so if you're asking how to trade this one, this is daily time frame. And daily time frame, we have bearish engulfing. Small green, big red. Okay, small green, big red. Let me check the candlestick for you so you see it with your eyes. Small green. This is bullish candle. Bearish candle. Small green, big red. This is bearish engulfing. Okay, the next candle is a bear candle. Okay? So, bearish engulfing. Okay, so right now, because this is bearish engulfing, the next candle is supposed to be a red candle. Okay? So, price target will be right here. 34,626. Okay, let me check the 4-hour time frame so we have clear picture. Okay, ooh. So this is indeed the breakout trade. Okay. It was so scary because it formed a triple top. Okay. You see our awesome oscillator. It keeps being awesome, right? Highest volume and then lower volume. Here, he is just in between and this is the highest peak that we can see. Hello, boss Ram. Hello, Ram. Miranda, thank you for joining us. Mia and Ariel, hello. Husband and wife, Natividad, thank you for joining us. Okay. So if this is the breakout trade right here, then this is your entry. I think this is already a good entry right here. The downside. Okay. So this is triple top. 1, 2, 3. At the market right here for triple top. That's painful, right? If you're in long position and you see this and you're hopium that we will just bounce, then it's not happening. Triple top, breakout to the downside. Okay? It's clear as crystal. So if you followed me in Zoom, if you joined my Zoom today 6 p.m. I was talking about this one. I inserted this because I said do not enter this candle right away because this can become fake out, and indeed it went back up. But since it got a confirmation, then you can trade the next candle. If this is really the breakout, then this is already a confirmation. Okay. Okay, so at least you save. How much did you save from if you enter just right away? Okay, so if you save at least 1.32%, and you can make more money 1.32% already. Okay. So what else do we have here? So 1 hour time frame. Our awesome oscillator in 1 hour time frame is now forming higher high. Okay, just like in 4 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame, this one is bearish saucer. Okay, small green, big red volume. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you the awesome oscillator. This is one of my favorite. Okay, here bearish saucer. Green, small green, and then big red. Okay, so it went another way to the downside. Okay, small, small, and then it break out to the downside. Okay, it didn't print lower volume. So this is stronger volume. So we can expect more to the downside from here. Okay, so our TA in the afternoon. If you are not yet part in our community, scan that QR code in this side so that you will be verified, okay? Your entries will be verified there, okay? So scan the QR code and then join our community here, okay? In TradeScholar community, okay? So we send signals here, okay? And we also have our practical trading community, TradeScholar, okay? We also send signals here, okay? So this is our current community right here. We send signals. Yeah, some make money. So we have long position where we would most likely bounce, and we have short position also where we would most likely get a rejection. Okay. So right now, let's pull out some RSVVB. I think this is already trying to confirm that we are going to the downside. Okay. I don't think this is still fake out. 4 hour. Okay, so if this is 4 hours, okay, not constricted enough. Okay, not constricted enough. It seems not constricted enough. So it moves usually after the constriction and then moves massive to the downside. This one, it fake out to the upside. So you think it will be going up. It stayed so long here in below. And then fake out to the upside. So you think it will go up. But it's just a fake out and went to the downside. Okay. So right here, it stayed long. It stayed long in the upside. And then went downside. Okay. So now we're thinking, if this continues, then this will just be a fake out. And then continues to the upside, right? Just like here, it stayed below and then went up for fake out to liquidate the short position. The short position, liquidate, and then goes up again. Okay, or hit the stop loss. Hit the stop loss. Okay, just hit the stop loss. So they will be out of the trade. So right here, if this pattern here continues the same thing here, so it means we stayed up and then we went down, and this can be a bullish for us. Okay. Okay, so that's interesting, okay? But if it continues, then we can expect more to the downside and retest the previous, so 32.9. Okay, this will be tested again, 32.9. But I don't think as of now if it has any volume, right? Really, okay? Okay, so this is Bitcoin for you. Okay, so if it's already done in constricting, I don't think it's already done. It will just continue to sideways yet. We are still in February 4. So we still have more days up to February 7 for some announcement that the government will make. Okay. Okay. So, how to trade? Now, this is the important part. How do you want it to trade? Okay. Let's remove this RSVVB, and if you want to trade this one, so let's go. Delete the brushes. Okay, so if this is if you want to trade this one, if I tell you to enter here, I already did in our Zoom, but right now it's already here. So it's already a late entry already, okay? Already a late entry. So what I'll do is, for the sake of you to be able to ride still, because I want you to make money also, okay? Even though it can affect my win rate, as I suggest this to you, okay? It can affect my win rate because if you hit your stop loss, that's not a good deal, right? A short position, but I will we will check that out. Okay, let's put it up. Okay. Okay, it even touched the 1.618, the golden ratio. Okay. And then you said that we are just having some astrology. You don't use historical truth and interpret the mathematical truth. Okay? Let's be fair with other discipline. Let us not think that only our discipline is accurate. Okay? Short position entry will be 36,761. You see, I always believe with the world is so big to fit for only one idea. Okay? The world is so big for only one idea. That is not fair. Okay, so I will ask you to enter here up to here. Okay, 36261. Okay, so you can still 261. Okay, but your stop loss remains 1 to 5%. Okay, TP1 will be 35025. TP2 will be 34733. Okay, and then 2 to 3. This is risky trade right now. Okay, because it's already moving. Okay, this is risky. Okay, entry 2 to 3% portfolio only. Okay, don't spend much. So now for long position. Okay, for long position, you can make this your entry here. The previous high 36261. Entry 3. Okay, if you think it will start, it's just a fake out, so you can also enter right away. Okay, this one 36261 is risky. Okay, the second entry can be better. Okay, this one here, because if it retest here, then this means this is just a fake out. Okay, 36752. 36752. That's why I hope those who write our signals in TradeScholar, they watch our live stream, okay? So that they know what I am talking while giving the signal. Okay? So if you watch the live stream and you are also part of the community, then you make more money. Okay, but if you don't know the background of that signal, then that can be also dangerous. Okay. SL 1 to 5%. TP1 will be T1 will be up to 0.618. Let's try 0.618. 37. 37, 205. TP2 will be 0.537. 496. Okay. TP3 will be 3778. Okay. Okay, let me make a space here. So I always give where it would possibly the bouncing area and the rejection area. Okay, so this will be most likely we can enter. Okay. 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 Okay, this is not a financial advice. Okay, I am in by no means a licensed financial advisor. Okay, so trade at your own risk, do your own research, and then not financial advice. Okay, for information purpose only. Okay, so you don't sue me. I'm just protecting myself. Okay. Okay. So, take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot for your entry now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's great. Hello, 14 viewers. Thank you for joining us. I hope all is well with you. And do not forget to join our TradeScholar community, okay? Where you can make even more money. Okay, so we are now live. Welcome, 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 everyone. Feel free to join us, okay? Scan that QR code right there so you can check us out. Okay? Okay. So, do we have any suggested coins? We have from El Negro BNB. Okay, BNB. Okay, let's check BNB. If you feel free to suggest coin, okay? As long as we have time, we will check it out. BNB, where are you, BNB? Here. Okay. Okay. Oh. In first part. Okay. So from here, let's find the trading area. Okay, so this is port here. This is our spring. Okay, this is spring to the upside. Okay. Same here. Okay. And then our trading area. Find support here. Strong support in this area. And then our up area right here for our trading area. Okay, we're checking now our trading area. Okay, this trading area. Do you see this one? Trading area. When I say trading area. Okay. Spring to the down to the upside and then goes up. Retest the support and then pumps to break out. Rejected. Going down again and then tries to break. Oops, cannot break again. Okay. And then upside again. Then down again. Okay, so basically we are playing in this trading area right here. Okay, that's how it looks like. So there is no volume. We can expect it can stay longer here. Okay. Okay. So how do we trade this one? Okay, play here. Ladder. Okay, so from here, you can expect our trading area. This is also a good support here, area. Okay, so from here, we can expect more to the upside, okay? If this holds, okay, listen, if this holds, then we can go to the upside. Okay, pull out RSV. Okay, it's still channeling. It is still congesting. Okay, constricting the channel. Okay, like this one, constriction, move to the downside. Right now, we are constricting again. And it's not good if we stay longer in the downside, okay? Because just like here, it stayed longer in the downside once it went to the downside. So the candles must stay upside, okay? So if it stay upside, the breakout is to the upside, okay? Okay. Loud and clear. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you for suggesting TRX. We will check that out, okay? So TRX. Okay, here we'll check. How are we going to trade this one? EMA still here. That's Ichimoku there below. So we might get rejection here. Good rejection area right here. If Bitcoin dumps, everything follows, okay? Okay. So, let's see how to trade this one. Did we have people top again? Okay, this is more like triangle. Remove this or ice. Okay. Looks like this looks like a triangle here, and then right here. Okay. What pattern are we looking at? Let's check. Okay. It's pennant, right? Pennant. Or this one, pennant right here. At or this one, descending triangle. If this is descending triangle, the fit is here, so this can be pennant. Okay. Okay. It's most likely pennant. Pennant would look like this. And then with that, the breakout is to the upside. Okay. But if this is the other, this is not pennant, and if it is descending triangle, then it would mean that it would go down more. Okay, it would mean it would go down more for the breakout. You're almost in the breakout area, so either it breaks out to the downside, price target will be from top to bottom. If it breaks to the downside, it goes here. If it breaks to the upside, okay, can come here. Okay, these are the possibilities for our BNB. Okay, so we're still in strong sell and Bitcoin is still dumping at the. Okay, so how to trade now? Let's pull out our trend is to the downside. That's why make blinds to the downside. Let's put X here. Let me draw trend. This is triple top again. And this is your breakout area. Okay, this is the breakout area. We have already broken out of it, like in Bitcoin. BNB purple. Long. What was it? Entry will be 365. I want you to ride, so I will try to catch the. Will be riskier, okay? 360. If you are trying to catch, then make sure your leverage is lower, okay? Because our SL is 1 to 5%, so make sure your stop loss is according to your leverage. TP1 be 345.76. TP2 will be 342.65. Okay, this is for our short. Our long position is if we get a rejection here. Okay, if we get a rejection here, we will bounce here, then we open long position. Let me check our awesome oscillator if we have any signs. Strong volume still, no sign for our 1 hour. 1 hour is still volume also. This is still a bearish saucer, but we have oversold. Okay, we have oversold once, So if it got rejected to the upside, and we are above the moving average again, so maybe this can be a rejection area. Okay. Okay. So we can consider also suggesting the short long position. Okay. So for long position, our entry will be 359.09. And another, this one is risky, okay? Another entry will be in the yellow. 364.79. Okay. Stop loss 1.5 T1 B 369.2 372 T3 B 375.5. Okay. You can just see how this 0.382 fits exactly where the support is, and then the 0.37, then the 0.618, strong resistance right here. So I don't think this Fibonacci is astrology, okay? That's really disrespect to other discipline. A comment like that is not good. You're disrespecting other discipline just because you are a historian. You studied the Black Swan event from every century that took place, or every history. Okay, so okay, so this is for our I am not trade at your own risk, do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Okay? Not financial advice. Okay, so let's make it clear. Okay, take a screenshot. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now let's check the last coin, TRX. Okay, TRX. We have a TA for our TRX. We made the long and short position. The entry for long is 05711. 757. Okay, so we hit here. Okay, so it is a good long position right here. Okay, so I hope you were able. The risky is 059. Another long position here. Okay. 05908. Okay, another here. And then the risky is 06119. 06119. Okay, so we hit the 06119, then risky. Not a good long position. At least we hit our 06. Okay. So our short, we did not hit here. Our short is 06119, 06037. So we hit our 06037, take profit. 06117. So we hit also TP2. 06359. So that's the TP3 was not hit. Okay. For short position, what position did we suggest? 06359, 06359, 06119. Okay, so we have a short position here. Okay, so that's great. 06119 here. 06119. If you followed my signal, then you are able to make 05908. Okay. Let's edit. How are we going to trade it now? Okay. Just keep these trading areas right here because it's being respected most of the time. Right now, we'll make the trend line here up. Okay, so we are currently in the support resist. Yeah. Okay, look at our fib lines. All exactly in the right place. It pains me once people are so dogmatic with their ideas. They think that their discipline is the only accurate and that should be the only thing that should be used. Okay? So, even Bruce Lee in Hong Kong, okay? He is also a philosopher, martial arts. Okay? He studied the philosophy of it. So, he respects all other disciplines. He's also competent. TRX entry will be okay. I'm suggesting that we have first, let me pull this accurately. We have made double bottom. It seems there's no volume for TRX, so it seems this can be the bottom. Let's prioritize long position. Long position. Entry will be, by the way, for those who wants to trade, ask our co-analyst, okay, for exact stop loss. And okay, to avoid getting stop out. Our entry will be this one. Another entry is 0.05896. Okay, this one is risky, but this is close. Okay, I hope you will be able to ride that entry. Okay, stop loss 1 to 5%. If you are in my live stream, then you can ride right away. TP1 will be 0.618, 0.05, 5, 0.05996. 3 will be 0.06033. Short position okay, if you want to short position, okay, entry, this is risky. Okay, we are constantly printing higher high, but then we have a change of trend. This is somewhere let me check the 4-hour time. Change of trend. Okay, even though higher high, lower volume. Okay, this is bearish divergence into the downside. This is the case for our for our short. We're still open for short position. Entry will be 0.055. One is risky. Another entry is safe, 0.0. Stop. Zero point 0.0592. Okay. SL 1 to 5%. TP1 will be short this. One will be one will be 5, 8, 3. To 3% portfolio only, and then trade at your own risk, do your own research. Not financial advice. Okay, thank you for joining us. It's already 9:01, so this is our signal for today. Thank you for joining us, and for those who are joining our raffle, just comment 500 peso. Okay, join our Telegram community and make sure you invite and you share your screenshot that you did all the steps also. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe, and share it to your wall. Okay, share it in our Telegram community. Okay, let me check those who have entered now. Okay, so every day is a new entry. Okay, every day is a new entry. So the raffle will be every Sunday. Okay, so I hope you will be present on Sundays. Okay, just comment 500. So L Negro. Next is Angela. Okay. Then next is Mary. Madeleine. Rogando. Okay. Next is Throne Seeker. Oh, for joining us. Mia, Stephanie, Natividad. Next will be Bram Miranda. Okay. Yes. Thank you for joining us. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining our. And then we just shuffle it. Okay. Shuffle. We have 28 entries already. Okay. Okay. I will not click the raffle right now. Okay. I will not click the spin because you might lose your luck. Okay. So we'll just keep it that way. Okay. Thank you everyone. All the best. Stay safe. Trade safer. Cheers. Let's make some money.